Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kismi Toffee at home, easy method. Combine sugar, ghee, and condensed milk in a heavy pan and heat gently while stirring constantly. Bring the mixture to a soft ball stage, watching color closely to avoid burning. Fold in koya and pistachios, then spread into a greased tray. Cool completely before cutting into pieces for a chewy, nutty treat that stores well. Warm up your pan and maintain medium heat to melt sugar and combine ingredients smoothly, stirring constantly to keep the mixture uniform. Watch for the soft ball stage and check with cold water to confirm readiness, then reduce heat slightly to avoid overbrowning. Folding in koya and chopped nuts at the right time preserves texture and flavor. Pour the mixture into a greased tray and smooth the top before cooling for clean slices. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes and tips. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I've been using for snacks and sweets. They save trips and spills and pair nicely with homemade Kismi. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick one up, enjoy the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Once the toffee mix is spread in the tray, press it evenly to create a consistent thickness that makes cutting easier and more attractive. Allow it to cool completely until firm, then score or cut with a hot knife for clean edges. Layer pieces with parchment paper and store in an airtight container at room temperature, keeping humidity low to preserve chewiness and prevent stickiness so your Kismi stays perfect for days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.